The biggest thing they're actually dealing with on their end is buyer's remorse. I just get ripped off by another smooth talking salesperson. So there's a step before that. And I call that step not onboarding, but I call that step welcome aboard versus onboard. And welcome aboard is like welcoming a member to your family. So how we do this, edible arrangements will go there. We have like a salted caramel apple. We have a standardized note, but they are so unbelievably fast, Josh. Like they're usually there within 3 hours, same day you sign the client. And we send some cookies with it. Everybody at the office is like, what's that? And I'm really, really big on that first impression because you want a client to feel like they just made a good decision to work with you. We also drop a welcome package in the mail at the same time. In a lot of ways, they get like 2 or 3 kind of welcomes from us. But I want them to feel like you're in good hands and you just made a good decision. That's such an important leverage point. So I think it's really, really important, that leverage point, because it sets the foundation for everything going forward. So those little extras